Make sure I'm sound like crazy now. Damn, my motherfucking phone. What the fuck? Okay. Motherfucking phone.
YouTube! What's good, gang? We are back with another video. Appreciate all y'all for tuning in as always. Make sure to go hit that like button, go subscribe if you haven't already, go share with all your friends, family members, all that shit. But with all that being said, let's get into it. Earlier today we put a lip on a BMW. I don't know why I didn't record that, but I made a little mini vlog for the gram and TikTok. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick.
Damn. Make sure I'm sound like crazy now. Damn, my motherfucking phone. What the fuck? Okay. Motherfucking phone. I got a bad bitch with a fat wrist and a love for Saxville. I do the drift on some new tires, turn them bitches to past tense. I got a crib where the other cribs sit on acres and gated fence.
It makes it look much nicer. Let me show y'all real quick, actually. But yeah, here's the BMW. Put a front lip, as y'all can see. And oh my god, what a difference that made. Of course, it's carbon fiber. Trying to do the carbon fiber deal. Everything carbon. But yeah, bro, that lip made such a difference. But yeah, now that we got that out the way, we're finna head to the gun range. I haven't been to the gun range in a minute, but I have been wanting to go and shoot my gun and a few more guns that we have. So yeah, right now we finna go do that. Load it up. It's been a minute since I shot my gun, and I just want to make sure we tuned up and everything. I think this is gonna be a YouTube only video, because every time I post guns on TikTok or Instagram, they flag my videos, even when I'm in the range. So today, we just going for the YouTube.
Yes, I know I'm beautiful. Too far to work in a cubicle. I told my chopper the birds and bees.
That's mine.
Oh yeah, that's the one he was experimenting on. What size is that little one?
Right
here? Yeah.
That shit used to fuck up on anyone. I went to status and got a few rounds. It's quicker to load up the minigun.
Oh man, the big boys. I don't know what target I'm gonna get. You know what target you getting?
It don't matter.
Yeah, stick with the basic. Okay. My lane, trying to get set up. My glasses on. All right, let's send her back. We'll go 10. I'll probably go 6. Yeah, that's good. Alright gang, if y'all could hear me, I'm finna try to explain this shit, but we got 2 guns we using today. This Smith & Wesson 380, something slight, nothing too crazy. Then we got the 300 Blackout. We Cerakoted it in like a cold gray. But yeah, this is what I carry on the daily. Always a pleasure getting some shots with the 300. So yeah, finna get some shots in. Sheesh. Really, any situation, the clip should be loaded. Let's see how fast we load this thing. They hate me in the military. Oh, I'm good. Good. See, now that one. not gonna lie, I like the 300 because as soon as you pull this back, you lock and load it. That's why I like the 300. Real nice, and you see the grip. Real nice grip. Yeah, let's play with the 300. Damn, Dad just dropped off another one. A 9mm, right?
And pull it back and shoot for each round. Just pull it back and shoot for each round. When you finish, hit that.
It's loaded.
Alright.
Looks like we got a new toy. This is a 2-shotter. The same size as my hand, but shit will still knock your ass back.
Yeah, pull it back again.
Oh, after everything. That's crazy. I actually like it though. Hey, this is small, but it's like a little cannon. I'm not gonna lie. This might be my favorite. This is what you call a sleeper gun. The smallest gun, but this is not no weak motherfucker at all. It's like a little cannon, dog. I like how it's so convenient. You can put it in your pocket, and all you need is one shot. All you need is one shot of this, and you did your job, honestly. Yeah, I like this. And that was today's shooting. Let's see what we did to our boy. Whew. Oh, hit up. Alright, gang, we just pulled back up to the crib, and I gotta say, that was much needed, dog. Like, bro, I've been wanting to shoot my gun for so long. You understand, but I had to shoot the 300, and got to shoot the small 9mm. I put my hand up because that shit was the size of my hand, but got to shoot that little mini pocket rocket. And what else we shot? I think we shot something else, but yeah, like I said, I really needed that day just to shoot my guns and shit. Cool little day at the range. I don't really post guns too much, really, because if I post it on TikTok or IG, they take my shit down. So yeah, it's a YouTube exclusive, but yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Go subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't know whether it's guns, cars, fashion, I don't know, but y'all stay tuned, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.
I got a lamb, and Seth got a lamb. Shit, fuck it, man. I'm about to give me one. Used to be brought up in Shannon. Now he get brought up his boat's dad.